learning more tonight about the team of people who helped protect a woman in crisis. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Bill Shammer. We've shown you this incredible video of truckers lined up beneath the I-680 bridge as the woman dangled outside the chain link guard.
In an exclusive interview, KETV News Watch 7's Sarah Feely talks with the co-responder who convinced her to climb down as she fights the mental health crisis on the front line. Sarah.
Omaha Police has a team of mental health co-responders who are called to crisis. They say every day they're working with someone, though it's not always as public as this.
You've heard a lot about the team of truckers below a woman dangling from a bridge. But what about the team at the top?
Well, they must really be hurting, right? Because we're human, and I try to be there with them. You know, I try to find out what's really going on.
Carrie Soto is a mental health co-responder with Omaha Police. She took that call last Monday.
It's just really important to, go out to the scene, assess, talk to the individual. It's neat because we're not officers, so the dynamics is very different.
Soto is a licensed mental health therapist. She says she goes to multiple calls involving mental health a day.
Crises look different, and just because they're not, on the edge of a building or something, their crisis is still important.
Her role is to find out what's going on in a person's life and get them resources to help.
I've always had an interest in therapy, and I think just like that immediate crises piece, it's it's neat.
The woman on the bridge eventually climbed down a ladder on top of one of the semis parked under her.
When I reflect on it, I feel proud. I think that it was like a community effort. So it goes back to just everyone acting quick and just being there, people caring.
Part of Soto's job is to follow up with people in crisis, both in the moment and even weeks later. She says the number of calls for help is rising amid the pandemic and stresses that starting that conversation about mental health is a must.
We all have mental health, and it's important to just be there for one another, be kind to one another, and just know that there really is help out there.
The woman was taken to the hospital after she climbed down from the bridge. Soto says mental health co-responders will often go with a person to the hospital to make sure that they get the help that they need. Now, if you need help, call the National Crisis and Suicide Hotline. That's 988. It just launched. If you do need to call 911, make sure that you call for a crisis intervention trained officer. Reporting live at Omaha Police Headquarters, Sarah Feely, KETV News Watch 7.